Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session, that is on 18th of June 2020. The first stock in the list is Jindal Steel and Power Limited. I will take you to the 5-minute chart of Jindal. You can see a colossal selling at the fag end of the session, which means that there are still open selling position in the stock. If we move to 1 minute or the 1 day chart, you can see this bearish candle with no wicks sticking out in either direction, and the next support level is around this. You can see this wide bullish candle. The support is around 131.20 and the current market price is 139. So in tomorrow's session I expect Jindal to find support around, I forget to mention it, there is an intermediate support which is around 135. So tomorrow two levels are watch out for in Jindal. Price receding below 139 and then after 135, and the final target should be 131.20. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Shriram Transport. If you look this interesting pattern out here, there are three, rather two bearish candle and one bullish candle which the stock made in today's session. The most interesting thing about this bullish candle for today's session is the wick sticking out in the upper direction, which means that rejection of prices in upper side. If we translate into layman's language, which means stock is struggling to go in upper direction. Currently it is stuck between this particular price range. I will spell out the price point for you, is around 641 to 640. So in tomorrow's session, if price can go below that, I can see a support around the levels of 606. So in tomorrow's session we can easily get 30 to 35 points in Shriram Transport. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Mahanagar Gas Limited. Just look at this extreme selling at the end of this session in 5-minute chart. What does it implies? It implies that there were domination of seller at the fag end of the session, and you can see hardly any bullish candle, which means that there are outstanding selling position in the stock. If we move to 1 minute 1 day chart, similar to Mahanagar Gas, these two candles can tell you the story about how Mahanagar Gas is struggling to raise in price. The wick sticking out in the upper direction shows that there are selling, rather heavy selling pressure at this particular price range, which is around 1084. So in tomorrow's session you can see there is a small support level which is around 1034. So in tomorrow's session the stock can go beyond 1034, then I can see it is going as low as 1001, which is 1 point more than the round number of 1000, which is an extremely important level for any stock. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Asian Paints. If you look at the daily chart of Asian Paints, like our two previous stocks, Mahanagar Gas and Shriram Transport, you can see wick sticking out in the upper direction. It means that there is heavy selling pressure on the upper side, which ultimately obstructs the stock from going in upward direction. Right now I can see a strong support around the levels of 1577.50 and the current market price is 1591. So considering all these factors, I expect the Asian paints to go as low as 1577 in tomorrow's session. So look to be bearish on Asian paints in tomorrow's session. If you want to know all the important levels in 4 underlying stocks which I have mentioned for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.